How to set up Gmail IMAP settings in Outlook. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is enable IMAP in Gmail. For that, launch your Gmail in a browser. Click on the gear icon, then see all settings. Go to the forwarding and pop IMAP tab and make sure the IMAP is enabled. Scroll down and save changes. Next thing you want to do is open Outlook and add Gmail. Open Microsoft Outlook on a computer, click File, then choose Add Account. Enter your Gmail address and hit Connect. Outlook might detect settings automatically, but if not, select Manual Setup and enter the following IMAP details. Incoming mail server, imap.gmail.com, port 993, encryption, SSL, outgoing mail server, smtp.gmail.com, port 465587, and encryption, SSL or TLS. Enter your Gmail password. If you use two-step verification, use an app-specific password generated from your Google account. Click Next, wait for the connection to complete, and then click Done. Your Gmail is now set up in Outlook using IMAP, and it will sync your emails in real time. And that's it, you have successfully linked Gmail to Outlook. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.